Hey kids, did you know monkeys can't sneeze underwater? You might think animals sneeze all the time, but underwater it's different. Underwater, monkeys don't sneeze because their noses close up to stop water from getting in. Instead, they hold their breath or breathe through their mouths. Which animal can actually sneeze underwater? A monkey or a dolphin? Comment below, it's the dolphin. They can sometimes blow air bursts underwater that look like sneezes. Subscribe for more fun facts.